SparkHacks is UIC's fast-growing student-run hackathon that's gone from an idea in 2023 to a 700-applicant campus phenomenon. Organized entirely by students, SparkHacks brings together volunteers juggling coursework, jobs, and leadership roles. Each year, they evolve the experience, including creating no-code tracks for beginners to shifting to an application-based system that gives first-time hackers a shot to compete. Mentorship from alumni, hands-on workshops, and plenty of snacks create an environment that's equal parts learning lab and community celebration. And while not every student walks away with a SparkHacks prize, they leave with something even more valuable, experience they can put on a resume, and the confidence to try what once felt out of reach. Organizer Naga Maddipudi said the student-led organization is focused on creating a welcoming atmosphere.
SparkHacks has always been about giving equal opportunity to everyone, whether you're like a talented hacker that's won at multiple hackathons and you're like a 4.0 GPA student, or you're just like, a freshman who's wanting to showcase their skills and, test out what they know so far. So we wanted to really make sure to give that opportunity to like all years of school and also just like levels of experience.
You can read this story and more on today.uic.edu.